Hey guys, I am in the middle of editing and trying to get things together. I had my studio mic and all my stuff, my camera, all that stuff going, writing things down, preparing what I was going to do next, and I did not realize it was fixing to storm. All of a sudden, the big bang! And all of a sudden, when the lightning struck and the thunder hit, the monitors on my computers just went out. And then my computer's booted up. So literally they just rebooted. And I went to touch something and it rebooted again. And so looking at the computers, I was like, okay, they look like they're fine. I look like they're okay, they're all booted up. Except for one problem. My mouse doesn't work. The lightning has killed my mouse. Who needs a mouse trap when the lightning will do the trick for you? Anyway, so I've got to go to the store and get another mouse because I can't do anything. I'm kind of like dead in the water, not being able to work on any projects or anything at the moment. Just wanted to update you on what's going on in my life. I hope you are safe and staying dry. I'm going to try to do the same as best I can, but I want to get this video I just edited, updated and uploaded, and I can't do that without this little guy. Got some more things coming, more projects coming, and take a look at this lightning, okay? Take a look at bright storm, and until next time, God bless.